WBUZZ. I'm Zoe. Let's see what's happening at Grandview. The weather forecast for the Grandview area is a high temperature of 72 and a low temperature of 37. Expect a partly sunny day. Today is Monday, September 27th, day 6, 2021. Today on the menu for lunch tomorrow will be macaroni and cheese. Now let's see who is on our Grandview birthday beehive.
Dun dun dun! Happy birthday!
Now let's see what is buzzing in our mailbox. This will be coming home. Reflection contest calls for entire 2021. I will change the world by bum-ba-da-da-bum. Remember, all missions are possible when you soar. So always be safe, be organized, be accepting, and be respectful.
And have a
beautiful day.